We are now at Parapet. We have unloaded, going to Tuk-Tuk. Full day. It's 6 in the evening and we reached this beautiful place on Toba. Hotel we are going to stay for next maybe 2 days. It's serene, it's beautiful, and it's different. It's different. It's kind of the batik house, which is very famous. So I'll show you our room. The room is also a little different. It's not the normal kind of room you expect in most places. It's very narrow. This is very narrow. We have to go like this. Okay, let's see. Turn on the light if possible. And then you enter to this beautiful. Oh my God, I cannot enter. Okay, and then you enter to this beautiful room. This is the second bed. I would sleep there for sure in the night. No doubt about it. And the washroom is there. What the heck? Good morning, everyone. So we are going for a nearby waterfall. It's not even 7 in the morning, so we woke up early. Not early by the standard of Indonesia, and we are going to a nearby waterfall. I'm not sure. We have to trek for some distance. So the boys are off for the waterfall. This place itself is very serene. It's not like KL or India. It's very different. The place is very quiet, and the surrounding is very beautiful. We are off to the waterfall as we told. So let's go. We don't know the route. We are trying to figure out. There are not much roads in the city, so I don't think it's going to be a challenge for us. We can navigate from any terrain. We are going together as a group. We reached the foothill of the waterfall. We are going in. As I told, we are joined with 2 new friends, Simona and Jasmine. And our guide. We got a guide as well. So, what is a good name? Your name? Goom is going to guide us to the waterfall. Let's see. Let's go. Okay. Entering the jungle. This one is dense. This one is dense, and I don't know which trees are these, but they cover the whole canopy. You can hardly see above. It's like all covered, but it looks nice. It's really giving that calm feeling and all green. So we climbed around 30-40 minutes. Little difficult, but we reached this place. So as a group, we are doing great. We had fun. We went to the water. The girls just stayed away. So it's fun. So we'll start climbing down. We took a shower. So we have the plan to go to the other waterfall and the hot spring. The guide is there. We missed the guide. I'm sorry. Yeah. My guide, our guide. The good man who took us here, because we could not have climbed alone. It was a little difficult. We might be scared climbing. So he is the one who took us to this place. So clap for him. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's it. The view is like this. The best thing about wait. I'm just taking a video with you. Can I do something? Go ahead. It's all yours. Oh, it's mine. Exactly, the way is very, very scary and very tired way. We
we got highly tired whenever we reached this place. But just seeing the shower and taking the shower and seeing the entire environment, entire tiredness has gone.
That's
This is the
correct.
best thing.
That's about climbing waterfall. You get tired, then you put some water on your head and your body. If you can take a dip, it's better. But then just use the water and you are all rejuvenated to
Be
climb
careful,
down.
there are some leeches. Huh?
A lot of leeches. Lot of
Lot of
leeches. If
leeches
you're
are
climbing.
there, be careful.
Climbing.
Whenever the guys
What is the name of
come
this
here-
place? What is the name of the waterfall? What do you call? Name. This place?
Then
Yeah.
what? Simangande.
Sima Gandhi waterfall in Tuk Tuk, Samsur Island. If you're climbing, be careful. It will take a guide. We'll suggest take a guide. Come,
Take a guide.
be
Obviously take a
careful.
guide.
Be careful of the leeches and the
They will
terrain.
take hardly 20 to 30,000
Yeah.
in their amount.
Don't disclose the amount money. He will be angry. We did a hard bargain. Yeah. Okay. Traveling on the bike to our next waterfall, we came to this detour place, and this is amazing. So we guys are having fun. We had a photographic session, and then we'll go to the waterfall. Just take the view. This place is unexpectedly beautiful. I have not thought I came here. That means I put effort in trying to figure out the place. But I tell you, this is beyond my expectation. Lake Toba is rocking, man. It's amazing. This is like walking in the heaven. Lake Toba, I keep saying, I keep repeating myself, but I can't stop saying that this is the beautiful place because it's not crowded. You don't have many people here, so you love the whole feel of it. It's still very natural, and I keep saying this is a piece of heaven, untouched, untamed. And we keep taking photographs. We can't stop ourselves doing that. I think I'm looking great. Frata or Frata Fall, I'm not sure what. We came to this beautiful place. This is the mainland. That's the Samsur Island, and the lake looks amazing. It's all what do you call it? Pine trees, correct? This is the pine trees. These are the pine trees, yeah. And the pine trees. look at the volume of water. This place is rocking, good. So even the girls who are not going to get wet are now going to.
Now swimming need to get wet.
Yeah, she's going to go to the water.
Yeah, you know which
Yeah. So we're going to the water. Just have a look on the place. I'll go to the video and this place is rocking good.